From the future adventure, greetings! Get ready to explore the world with unmatched elegance and grandeur. Presenting the masterpiece that is transforming travel, the Volkswagen Motorhome 2026. First and foremost, Volkswagen's modern, streamlined design is attractive because to its unique aerodynamic lines, which provide a form that is both fashionable and functional. The automated sliding doors open effortlessly, and you enter a cosmos meticulously prepared for every journey. Numerous state-of-the-art engines built for optimal performance and efficiency power this RV. Both a powerful plug-in hybrid diesel engine with rapid torque for long-distance driving and a silent and environmentally friendly all-electric EV powertrain with a large capacity battery that provides an exceptional range for zero-emission excursions are available. As you grab the wheel, a contemporary and intuitive UI welcomes you. A large, curved touchscreen connects all of the important vehicle data and functions, from the center console to the instrument panel. A cutting-edge entertainment system that seamlessly combines wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will keep you entertained and connected. To ensure continuous connectivity and convenience, there are several USB-C ports, wireless charging, and accurate digital temperature control scattered throughout. The interior design perfectly balances style and functionality. High-quality materials like certified light wood, vegan leather upholstery, and soft, recyclable linens create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Because of its modular design, you may transform the room as needed, transforming it from a cozy dining area during the day to a tranquil haven at night. Large panoramic windows offer stunning views of every location, but adjustable LED ambient lighting adds a unique touch. The bedroom should be a tranquil retreat. A comfortable queen-size bed with an ergonomic mattress guarantees sound sleep after a day of exploring. Cleverly hidden storage spaces under the bed and along the walls maximize the amount of luggage you can bring. Soft lighting and blackout curtains enable a restful night's sleep, while enough ventilation promotes the best possible air circulation. Elegant design doesn't have to take up a lot of space, as demonstrated by this compact yet functional bathroom. Modern, energy-efficient cassette toilets, fold-down sinks, and quick hot showers are just a few examples of features designed to save space without sacrificing comfort. A mirror with built-in lighting and composed of easily cleaned and waterproof materials may provide a stylish touch. The kitchen of the 2026 Volkswagen Motorhome is the realization of every adventurous chef's dream. With a stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and a roomy refrigerator freezer, you can prepare delicious meals wherever you go. Its mobile dining area and enough storage room for supplies and equipment make it a hub for on-the-go cooking activities.